scares me. It has brown spots all over. I'm really scared, you guys. Hello everyone, my name is Melina Glam. I'm a beauty influencer. I travel, I do blogs about everything in between, and now I added plants to my video collection. So I am LGBT in the LGBT community, so if you wanna support me, subscribe and welcome me to the plant community now. So I'm fairly new, and today unfortunately I gotta make a really tough video, and I need my whole plant community to just help me with this MONSTERA Thai constellation, please, because I don't want it to die. You guys, I really need your help. In all seriousness, I need your help. I know you guys probably don't think that I'm serious because I'm wearing this like day of the, oh my god, why am I even wearing this shirt? Like, I'm sorry you guys, but seriously, I need your help. So this MONSTERA Thai constellation that you see here, I'm gonna insert better videos of it. I bought it on Etsy a couple weeks ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago, and it was stuck in travel for like 9 days, and the seller had it in leca, which is right here. Not this container, they had it in a different container, and like they said, like the roots would be more airy or whatever, and it won't have root rot, and all in dandy, and it sounds good. But if you're packaging that for days in the hot Texas weather, like, yeah, my MONSTERA didn't stand a chance. My Thai constellation, unfortunately, let me show you. Here's the Thai constellation. Here's the root. So should I put her like this? Just make her stand? Will that affect the leaves? I really don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna put her like slanted a little bit, but I'm not, or maybe like really high. I am not sure, because I don't want to affect the mood either. Oh my god, I am so confused, you guys, but I think I already freaking messed that root up. So just wish me luck, you guys. Like, literally, I'm so scared. I have most of the leca here. I moistened it with water, but I'm like using napkins to take a lot of the moisture out because I don't want this to rot. I'm like so scared of what to do. So here we go. I'm really scared, you guys. And I put most of the leca there. I'm gonna just put her in there gently, I guess, and put more leca on there. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so scared. Okay, you guys, so I do have a humidifier that's gonna make this growing process hopefully save my plant. Hopefully this humidifier can save my plant. I really hope so. And I do have some grow lights, and I do have a big, I don't even know what type of window this would be, but yeah, you guys, I have a huge window because my MONSTERA deliciosa loves it. It's been thriving, and she is, hold on you guys, she is right here. She's right here. Don't mind the music. I do have some Hispanic neighbors. I mean, I'm Hispanic myself, and I do like to blast my music, so I understand. And come right here, you guys. So I'll definitely keep y'all up. Oh my god, a car. Yeah, and the weather's bad in Dallas today. It's like so cloudy, so and the season, right now we're in August, but in Dallas and Texas, like the sun lasts till like October. Like 2 more months of sun, like really good sun, and yeah. So I put her in leca right there. So yeah, you guys, that's the story of my MONSTERA Thai Constellation. It came in the mail. It came with root. Well, I don't even know how it came because the seller told me don't take it out of the leca because you'll void the warranty. But it had been in shipping for like 9 days in the hot Texas weather, so I'm pretty sure the roots got dried up and I guess burnt. And then she like I messaged her right away when the plant came. I even have videos, I'll include them if I find them. She told me to water the plant, like water it all the way through and let it sit there because of the stress of the shipping and all that. And it did come with one really good leaf. It's still good. That leaf is still good. That second leaf is like really dying. When I got it though, it wasn't dying. It just had yellowing. And then a third leaf was broken. And well, I couldn't check it because I would void the warranty. But if I would have checked it, I'm pretty sure I would have saved the roots earlier. This was like 2 weeks ago. But now I took it out of the leca and I voided the warranty. So now it's like I did research of different plant YouTubers, like Kaylee Ellen, Legend of Monstera. Yeah, a lot of YouTubers, not just them, like even all the videos of root rot I researched, and I'm just scared, you guys. So pray for my plant. If you have any suggestions, any like tips of me saving my MONSTERA Thai Constellation, let me know. And even if you have a plant and you want to spare a little cutting, like just message me, like if y'all have a good deal, because I already spent like $240. If not, like it's fine. But thank you guys. Thanks to the plant community. I'm really new here and I just want to have a beautiful plant. I'm not making this for like pity and so I can get free plants. That's not, no, like I'm just making this to see if you guys have any tips. And yeah, I'm a little sad, but I'll keep y'all updated. I know she'll probably do good. I'm hoping, you guys. So thanks for watching and hearing out my story of my Thai Constellation, and hopefully in a few weeks, maybe not a few days, maybe in a few more days, weeks or whatever, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll let you know what happened to her, and hopefully it's good news. So yeah, and yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll keep y'all updated, so stay tuned for the update. So like if I do another video and I am in bawling and freaking tears, you know why. You can obviously see it was rotting in there. Yeah, this didn't make it. Look at the root, it's so squishy. I don't even know if I want to even try to root it. So yeah, you live and you learn. It didn't make it. Yeah, this is gonna be a short video. Yeah. I'm sorry, Monstera. I tried. I didn't want you to suffer anymore. Yeah, didn't make it, unfortunately. Oh my god, don't mind my restroom. Let me know if you guys think this will make it. It's not gonna make it, but oh well, you live and you learn. So it died, unfortunately. Such a sad video, but you just live and you learn.